Hello guys, welcome to a Java programming tutorial. My name is Lawson Luke. In this video, we'll be looking at Java's print format method that's usually called printf method, what it's used for, and how it can be applied to formatting your results outputs of your program. So the printf format is used to modify outputs in Java. It takes the following sequence, which you can see here on the slide. We have this percent symbol. It takes in the flags, takes in the width, precision. We'll have convention characters as well. Now, what are convention characters? They are what helps the program detect what type of value you want to pass in. So when you put in these conversion characters, which you'll see the example in a bit, we have D for decimal integer. This includes byte, short, int, long as well. We have F for floating point numbers, that's float and double. We have C for char variables, X for string, and for new line. Now, if you want the string or the char variable to be in uppercase, so you can use capital letter C or capital letter S. So let me show you what I mean here. I may have this program created. So let me just declare a string, just quickly, str. Let's call this print format. So now all along we're doing print line. So today we're going to do system.out. So we print f. Okay, so now printf gives me it's expecting parameters here, which you can see. So what I'll do here, I'll pass in my parameters. Let's put in percent s here. So I'll pass in my str string here. Okay, so let's print this out and see what it is we get. So if we run this program, then we get print format. So you can see there is no new line because everything, if I printed something else now, it would be on the same line here. So to solve that problem, we use a new line, %n, right here. And then we can actually run this again. And then we can see this comes to the next line. Like I told you earlier on, if we want this to be in uppercase, we can just make this as uppercase as well. Yeah, so you can see now we're formatting the outputs of a program. So I'm going to do one more. Let's see, we have a double here, or a float, depending on which one you want to use. So double equals 4.567, just some random numbers anyway. Now supposing I want this output to be converted to, or to be rounded up to 2 decimal places. So what I can do is system.out printf. I'm used to writing print line. So here we can see percent. This will be, I'll say 0.2f because I want it to be converted to 2 decimal places. Then I'll use my new line right here, and then my arguments will be this D symbol here. So, but actually, you should know that this D has nothing to do with this D here. Okay, so this D right here is just the name of the variable. So if I should just put do. I'll do do is a keyword. So dy here, so it won't be confusing. So dy works. So it takes in a conversion logic here, and then this takes in the conversion value that you want to pass here, whether as a string or you just want to pass the value directly here. So if we run this program again, we will see that we'll have 4.57, which you can see here, 4.57. Okay, so it kind of works good. So if you don't want to pass in these as a variable, you can pass in your characters here. So I can do something like 3.142 blah 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 blah, okay, like this, and it still work fine here. So I have 3.14 to 2 decimal place. Okay, so that kind of makes sense, hopefully. Like if I do this one, just do one more. This is decimal. So just to so if we have int val here equal to 23. So to print this out, we'll use system printf. So we'll have percent d right here. Then here we can put percent %n if we want a new line. Then we can pass in our value, which is val here. So you can see the conversion characters. Let me just print this out before I give you the explanation. So we have 23 here. So I'm using the conversion character D inside here. I'm using the conversion character S because this is a string. I'm using the conversion character F because this is a double or a floating point here. So you just have a list of these conversion characters which will guide you into using them right here. So hopefully this makes a lot of sense. Maybe one more thing before I go. Like you can see here, we have if we return back to this slide, we have flags, we have width. If you want to specify how wide you think this should be, or if you want to specify the margin, you can put a value here. So if I put something like 50 here, I'm gonna run this program. So you can see here it has a margin in 50, which you can see. So it kind of makes sense when you, especially when you know format your outputs. Kind of makes sense, especially when you want to do something like a calculator program and you want to console it out on the screen. So you might want to find this printf format really very useful to you. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more exciting contents like this.